Hey guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. In this quick, easy video, I'm going to show you just how to clear out your service lights on your BMW. Now, the service lights I'm talking about is your service reminders. You have certain maintenance items within your BMW system, so that way it's checked for oil, brake fluid, front and rear brake pads, it could be spark plugs, cabin filter, all that kind of stuff. If you don't have a BMW scan tool to be able to reset those, you can do it quick and easy just on the dash right here and there. So let's head on over here. We'll be ready and good to go. All right, you're gonna take your key, pop it in the slot. Power on the car. See, I have service. That's gonna be my brake fluid. Wait for all the lights to go away. Now I'm gonna hold down my mileage trip button. Hold it down, keep holding it down. It's gonna pop up with all your different menu options. So we wanna do the brake fluid. You're gonna hit your BC stock button right here. Reset. Gonna hold it down. And it's resetting. There we go, all good till April 2020. Now let's go ahead and turn it off. Power it on again. And no more service due. All right guys, there you have it. The quick and easy process on how to reset those service reminders that will come up on your BMW. Now, when you do one, you could go through all the many other different ones if you've done more than just one service, but it definitely can be annoying as far as having that pesky just service reminder, icon that just shows up every time you start up your car like, hey, service is due. But this is quick and easy as far as to reset those service reminder lights that you'll have on your BMW. Well guys, thanks for stopping in. Please check out my other DIYs, informational videos, things to look out for on this platform as far as BMW goes. Appreciate all the support, and as always, please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment below. Take care.